Deficiency diseases. Students, deficiency diseases are the diseases which are caused due to the deficiency of a particular nutrient in our diet. These diseases are also called as non-communicable diseases as they do not spread from one person to another. These diseases get cured when the patients start consuming the required nutrients in the adequate amount. Now students, let's understand about these different types of deficiency diseases in detail. First, deficiency of carbohydrates. Students, carbohydrates are the body's main energy source. Lack of carbohydrate in a diet results in the lack of energy and stamina. For example, a laborer who does hard physical work needs more carbohydrate in his diet than a person who does work sitting in the office. Second, deficiency of proteins. Students, deficiency of proteins causes a disease called as kwashiorkor. Early symptoms of kwashiorkor are fatigue, irritability and lethargy. Students, kwashiorkor most commonly affects children living in areas with high level of poverty and food insecurity. Students, deficiency of proteins along with the deficiency of carbohydrate is called as protein energy malnutrition. It leads to marasmus. Marasmus causes visible wasting of fat and muscle under the skin, giving bodies an extremely thin and weak appearance. It causes stunted growth in children. Students, kwashiorkor and marasmus are more common in the children of rural areas. Now let's move on to vitamin deficiency diseases. Students, even though we need vitamins in small amount, still lack of vitamins in our diet causes vitamin deficiency diseases. Some of these diseases are: students, night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. A person suffering from night blindness cannot see in the dim light or at night. It can be cured by adding food items which are rich in vitamin A. For example, milk, carrot, butter, curd, green leafy vegetables, etc. are all rich in vitamin A. Second, beriberi. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. A person suffering from beriberi may have loss of appetite, nervous disorder, and weight loss. It can be cured by including cereals, pulses, nuts, milk, egg yolk and porridge in the diet. Third, scurvy. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. The symptoms of scurvy are swollen and bleeding gums and slow healing of wounds. It can be cured by having sprouts, citrus fruits like lemon, orange, gooseberries and tomatoes in the diet, which are rich sources of vitamin C. Fourth, rickets. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. The person suffering with rickets have bow-shaped legs. Rickets can be cured by having milk, egg yolk and cod liver oil, which are rich sources of vitamin D. Students, a balanced approach to sunlight exposure also helps us to get enough of vitamin D. Mineral deficiency diseases. Students, our body needs minerals in a very small quantity. Their deficiency leads to many different diseases. Some of these diseases are as follows. First, anemia. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iron in our body. Students, iron deficiency results in the reduction of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the red-colored pigment which is present in our blood. It helps in carrying oxygen to different parts of the body. Anemic people become pale, lose appetite and get tired very easily. Anemic person should include green leafy vegetables in the diet along with fruits like apple, guava, bananas, which are rich sources of iron. Second, goiter. Students, goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine in our body. Due to this, the thyroid gland located in our throat get enlarged. Fish, seafood and iodized salt should be consumed to prevent goiter. Third, osteoporosis. Students, lack of calcium in our diet leads to osteoporosis in adults and rickets in children. The symptoms include brittle bones, weak teeth, excessive bleeding and stunted growth. eggs, milk, and green leafy vegetables along with a balanced exposure to sunlight cures this disease. Hope you all learned something new. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay happy.